Boy Program. Lucidos Angeline Therese Andrino, Best in Tour Guiding, Best in Tour and Travel Operation. Pagyo Rahan Espaldon.
May we call on Dr. Maria Dulce R. Villaverde, Program Chair from the College of Education.